Hey guys, welcome back with another video. Today we are going to be playing Mineplex. I think we're going to be playing another server soon, but today we're doing a daily upload. First we did, we did, this won't, no. First we did Turf Wars. Now let's do another Cakewars standard like we did last time. Playing a little bit more. I think I have to adjust some stuff. I know OP bed defense, like no teams can get by. Let's queue for red. Let's do some trick shot then. Easy. Oh, fail. Okay, yeah, we got on our team. There we go. Now we can do parkour. Oof, fail. Get that camera up. Or should I adjust it down? There we go. We're gonna move that a little bit. Right here. Here, parkour. Bang. Let's try to speed do this. I think I'm gonna do a triple upload today. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna do a triple upload today. I really think we are. If we're doing a triple upload, I'm not doing it on Mineplex. Even though Mineplex is an okay server, I think that doing a triple upload on just Mineplex maybe it's a little too much. Ooh, our teams are already building. Team to the rescue! Just crouching, gathering up all these resources. I have a plan. Don't just think I'm trying to hog the materials out. That would be a good plan, but that's not the plan we're thinking. Oh, jeez. We're already there. There we go. There. Wow. Oh, wow, we have... Okay, there. What? Already? How? Just tell me how. How? Wow. Our bed already got destroyed. Well, no point of doing that now. Armor up. Hope for the best. That's my plan now. We're gonna make our little thing. A little access wall. Oh, teammate, you have a great idea. Except you also have the wrong idea, teammate, in the same way. Fail. To gather more resources. Oh, why was it that? There we go. Here's my plan. Kevin's lost his very good punch. Very great punch. Oh, you thought you were about to attack us. Oh jeez, I'm the only red left. I think first I'm gonna fully armor up and then start going in. Let's fully iron up. Let's get a pickaxe. Let's... Whoa, what? Oh no, what? I suck at PvP. Bye, rest in peace. That was a horrible match. So we're gonna return to the hub, and I usually don't do this, but we're gonna play another round. I'm not just gonna do it. I'm not just gonna end up like that. This time we're gonna be playing duos. If you guys have any servers, I should go on, put them in the comments below. Okay, who's my duos partner? Oh, Warrior Team. I think that's my duos partner right there. You guys want to add me? My name is right there. On to YouTube. If my chat wants to appear, you'll see it. Why doesn't my chat? But you didn't even say it though. How about that? What if I add it? Yeah, it doesn't even say it. What if I type it LOL? Yeah, it doesn't say it. That's definitely an error with my MC. Well, obviously my chat doesn't work, so... Oh, jeez. That actually this is my partner, but... Teammates start rushing. I'll defend bed. I'll defend... Oh, not bed. Oh, what am I saying? Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Ooh, a hacker. Haha. Get wrecked, hacker. Thanks for that title, though, hacker. That's gonna be the title of this video. We found a hacker, Cakewars. That's gonna be the best clickbait title of that all time. So, let's go. Right now, the bed is kind of, I wouldn't say our least concern, but it's not the most concerned right now. So right now we're gonna defend the bed. So we're gonna get 8 of these. We're gonna get a pickaxe. Obsidian. What? Wow. Okay, so wow. Wowzers. Well, that's pretty rude. Why you be rude to me, MC? Why? Why you be rude to me? MC, I just want to play you. Now you want to be rude to me. Why you be rude to me? As you can see, I'm on 1.8, so I can do this. Oh, teammate is apparently gone somewhere. Our teammate is gonna grow up to be the new ninja in Fortnite. I'm getting carried in Fortnite. There's a lot of good titles in my head right now. I don't know why. People sometimes give me the best titles for videos. Even if they're not doing that on purpose, they're giving me the best titles. So... there. Okay. Oh no. Gonna need more resources. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just. Oh jeez. We're getting a lot of emeralds, surprisingly. I'm surprised I haven't upgraded my stuff you out. Here's my plan. We're about to go in. Once we hit our emerald amount, I have my plan initiated. 2 more emeralds and our plan is gonna work. You're gonna, if we, yeah guys, I have an, oh, you're not on my team. 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 GG, GG. What? I drew the ender pearl. No. I'm gonna die. We are gonna. I call hacks, kinda. How's he go? No! R.I.P. 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 guys! Rest in peace. Well, guys, that's gonna end off today. So, bye, guys.